Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add emails to an automation in ActiveCampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to the list of all your emails. Open the email you want to add to the automation. Simply click on the email to view its profile. Find the Automation section on the email's profile. You'll see an Add button in front of the Automation section. Click the Add button. A list of available automations will appear. Select the automation you want to add the email to. Choose the relevant automation from the list. Click OK to confirm. Your email has now been successfully added to the automation, and I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Also, we deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Your support means everything to us.